Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy step by step in a simple and easy way. The Assistant menu is a useful accessibility feature on Samsung devices that provides a floating shortcut button for quick actions. However, some users find it distracting or accidentally tap it while using their phone. If you no longer need it, you can easily turn it off by following these steps. Go to the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage all system-related options and customize your device according to your needs. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu and find Accessibility. Then tap on it to open. Accessibility includes features designed to make the phone easier to use, especially for users with specific needs. Inside Accessibility, look for Interaction and Dexterity and open this option. Here you will see different tools related to touch and interaction controls. Now, locate Assistant menu and tap on it. You will see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Tap on them to turn it off, and the floating Assistant menu button will automatically disappear from your screen. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.